This is episode 5 of Retro Computer News. Today I will talk about a new power distribution board for Texas Instruments TI-99-4A, a ZX Spectrum Next clone, a network adapter for 8-bit Atari computers, a PS2 to serial mouse adapter, a new wavetable card, a new DOS sound card, an expansion card for Amiga 500 and Amiga 1000, a side-scrolling game for the Amiga, a multiplayer game for the Commodore 64, and new tracks for Supreme Snowboarding. I recently got this Texas Instruments TI-99-4A without power supply. Then I stumbled upon a new power distribution board that was recently developed. You need to order a PCB and assemble it yourself, and then you can use 13 to 19 volt power supply. You can now buy a clone board of the Spectrum Next. It's called the ZX Spectrum Next and Go, and it fixes a problem with the power and reset via HDMI that the previous Next model had. The FujiNet started out as a network adapter for the 8-bit Atari computers, but it became a lot more. You connect it to the SIO port on the Atari, and it can emulate the modem, dataset, a disk drive, you will eventually get Bluetooth, and a lot more. A passive serial to PS2 adapter will not always work. This new adapter fixes this problem. It's an active adapter you can power using a USB cable. A new ES692 based wavetable card is in development. The specifications are 32 voice polyphony, 1 MB RAM, reverb effect, stereo pan for each voice, general MIDI instrument set, 128 melodic and 47 rhythm instruments. And possibly we will get a successor to this board that will be based on ES982. The Ortho sound card is complete. It's based on Crystal CS4237B, which offers Sound Blaster, Sound Blaster Pro and Windows Sound System compatibility. It has an OPL3 chip, SPDIF, game port, wavetable port and a lot more. A new expansion card for the Amiga 500 and Amiga 1000 is in development. It will have 2 kickstart ROMs so you can flash yourself without the programmer, a socket for FPGA or a 68K accelerator, and you might be able to connect the Vampire. Do you want any special features? Then go to Amiga Labs forum and ask for it. A new good-looking side-scrolling game for the Amiga is out, and I actually bought it for my brother as a birthday present. It's called Quest for the Magic Lantern, and I like this game because it has a calm atmosphere, great graphics and interesting gameplay, even if it is a side-scrolling game that there are many of already. I find it very aesthetically pleasing. A game that I initially was not interested in is Showdown for the Commodore 64. It seemed too simplistic for me at the start, but when I saw a review from 10-minute retrocast of this game, I got more interested. You can play against a computer or another person. You just need to shoot the other player, but you need to reload. You can take cover behind a cactus, but your opponent can also shoot at the cactus and gradually destroy your cover. These and other small tactics make me think that this can be a fun game for two. Supreme Snowboarding, the best snowboarding game of all time, now has new maps. You can now download the 21 years anniversary DLC. There is actually a hidden map creator in the game, but it's not easy to use. And other maps that have been made previously has not always had the best quality. Apparently, I have no personal experience with it myself. Actually, I didn't know that maps for Supreme Snowboarding was even a thing. So check out the links in the video description to see the trailer, and also check out MIK on YouTube for more Supreme Snowboarding goodness. That's it for this episode of Retro Computer News. As always, links to everything is in the video description. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.